and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Folks, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am back with another video. Today's video is obviously gonna be yet another hair tutorial or hair video. But before we get into that, I want to say if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. I also want to say if you like these sort of videos or you just like your girl, click that like button, honey. Okay, click it. Now, let's get into this wig. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, honey, I've been coming through with the curly wigs here lately, okay? I've been coming through with the curly wigs. So the unit that I'm rocking is their 5x5 HD Lace Curly Wig. I do have it in 28 inches. I'm going to go ahead and click on the site and see can I find any more details and specs about this particular wig. Okay, so on their site it says Nadula 5x5 HD Swiss Lace front wig, breathable, 180% density curly wig. They do have it available in 16 to 26 inches, and as I stated, I do have it in 28 inches. This unit is available in an average cap size. It does come with the HD lace and it's a 5x5. So they don't really say anything like other than the fact that it's curly. So I'm just going to say it's a curly texture, which it is curly. They also stated that it's a 5x5. Now when dealing with the 5x5, that means you have from here to here to part this wig wherever you want to. If you want to part it on the right side, left side, or middle part like I am wearing it, you can also wear it in a half up, half down style if you want to with these sort of units. So keep that in mind. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, it did shed a little bit, it did tangle a little bit, but it is a curly wig. But I want to mention that it wasn't excessive. Like, it was nothing to write home about. It was nothing that'll make me upset, because honey, if it made me upset, you wouldn't be seeing this video, okay? Yeah, that is pretty much it as far as those details and specs. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. I am an average cap size, so I can only go off of me using like this little method that I've been using, meaning if I have to adjust the straps, then I deem a unit to be big head friendly. If I don't, then I deem it to be small to medium head friendly. That is all I can do, honey. I mean, do with that what you want to. If you're not an average cap size, I mean, that is purely speculation because I only got one head. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this wig, and then we can get into my pros and cons about this unit.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm chained up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm chained up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna get into the pros and cons. I obviously always start with the cons because I like to end on a positive note. Okay. So the pros with this unit, y'all, I have really just like been kind of just going through in my head what I could consider a con. But the only thing that I can really think of is that it's a lot of hair. Okay, it is a lot of hair. It's not like a whole lot that you can get done with hair like this. I feel like this is date night hair. So if you're looking for something that is not like this long and this big, honey, child, you know, that would probably be the only con with this unit. Now, to me, honey, the pros are endless. The pros are endless. I love the texture. I love the hairline. I did decide to tweeze it a little bit and I did bleach the knots, but honestly, it's not something that you necessarily have to do with this unit. I have just been trying to step up my tweezing game, so I did tweeze it, but it obviously did come tweezed really, really nicely, as you guys probably saw in the application portion of this video. I love the density of it, even though it's a lot of hair. Like, it's 180% density, and honey, she is thick, girl. Okay, she is a lot of hair. You will see when I stand up and do my full 360. I love that it's a 5x5. I just love everything about this unit. I think it is a really, really nice wig, and I don't that is pretty much all I can say about it. It's a nice wig. Now, would I recommend this unit? Obviously, girl, okay? Obviously, I would recommend this unit, okay? Obviously, she's a look, she's a vibe to me, okay? Like I said, the only con would be if you're getting something as long as this, like this one is 28 inches. If you're getting something that's 28 inches and it's a curly wig, expect a lot of hair, okay? If you want to get it in a different length, then, you know, it won't be so much hair, but it is a lot of hair, girl, okay? She's a lot, so just keep that in mind when purchasing this wig, but I would definitely recommend it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get into our full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", and this is where it comes to me. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it, if it's a look, if it's a vibe to you as well. I am definitely interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. Also, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already, follow me on all my social media platforms. I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.